I hear a bird chirping up in the sky. I'd like to be free like that, spread my wings so high. I see the river flowing, water running by. I'd like to be that river, see what I might find. I feel the wind I blow, it's slowly changing time.
Susanna, why do you want to go see the seagulls?
I want to go see the seagulls because 4 or 5 nights ago I woke up in the middle of the night and thought, look at all that freezer food down there that we got for the ark, and nobody wanted to use it. It's going to go bad. Let's make Christmas for the seagulls.
And it was clean out here, they ate every bit? And how often did you do it? They're there.
But they're not eating.
Not yet.
I see the moon rising, reaching into night. I'd like to be that moon, a knowing, glowing moonlight. I know the silence as the world begins to wake. I'd like to be that silence as the morning breaks. Up in the sky, I'd like to be free like that spread.